Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video we'll see how to make instant garlic fried recipe with a day old leftover rice and very few ingredients, making it super quick, easy to grab lunchbox recipe. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. For making garlic fried rice, firstly we're gonna mince garlic, green chilies and few curry leaves into a chopper. You may also crush them in mortar and pestle or finely chop them. This is how it needs to be. Spices you may adjust according to your taste. Ingredients details for all is mentioned in the description box. You may have a look. Now heat up a pan and add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once oil heats up, add cumin seeds and allow it to splutter. Then goes in chopped garlic, chillies and curry leaves. Roast until raw aroma goes and garlic turns golden in color. Remember to keep flame on medium-low. Don't burn the garlic. Roast it until it turns golden. Spices you may adjust according to your taste. Here I am preparing a serving for 2 with 1 bowl of day-old leftover rice. Now you can see garlic roasted very well. To this we are going to add chili flakes and black pepper powder. And then goes in a tablespoon of soya sauce. Now roast them well for a few seconds. And to this we are going to add the cooked rice now. This is the day old leftover rice, which is around 1 cup and sufficient for 2 servings. Mix it well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Roasted garlic, chilies and curry leaves makes it flavorfully delicious. As all flavors got nicely infused in the rice and the aroma is extremely delicious, you may pack it as it is at this stage for lunch. However, to make it more delicious, I am going to add an egg and combine it with rice. Now mix it well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. At this stage, we are going to check the seasoning. You may add salt if required. And then add half lemon juice and combine all well together and allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Then garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and that's it. A super yummy, super quick garlic fried rice is absolutely ready. Hope you like this video. Then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.